In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down and click on Phone Ringtone and Vibration. Then click on Vibration Pattern and Intensity at the top and apply the best pattern for your incoming calls. And one of those intensity options. When you finished, go back, click on SMS ringtone and vibration, click on vibration intensity and apply the best one for your messages. When you finished, choose notification sound and vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to touch vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!